everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by my beautiful friend Second Hand Tracey Ann, and it is the Valentine's Day Mantel Hugs and Kisses. Guys, when I saw her issuing this open invitation, I knew I wanted to participate in it, and she has 3 requirements for this challenge or collaboration. Of course, and this is not included in the well, this is included in the requirements, but you must have a mantle. That's a give me, a mantle. The main 3 requirements for this collaboration are that you must incorporate or use the theme XO, okay, and I have that. You can check that off. You also must use a banner of some kind, anything that you want, and I think I can check that off of my list. And then lastly, a photo in a frame of your loved one or your loved ones or your pet or what you love. And I think I can check that off my list. So guys, I'm giving you a little sneak peek of what's going on behind me. I'm standing in front of my mantle, my fireplace. So I'm just going to show you what I've done. I think I'm going to start off first showing you the items, the required items, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to start off with the banner. This banner I've had for several years in my Valentine's Day stash. I picked it up from Target a couple of years ago. I think I've had it probably maybe 4 years and have not used it. Love this banner. It has the red, it has the white, it has the gold, but I'm loving what they threw in. You usually see the pink. Well, they threw in peach. So I'm loving that. That's something different and unique. I'm going to incorporate the theme here, which is the X and O. I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. You all know, if you've been watching me, that is my store. I love Hobby Lobby. It's my go-to spot. And what I've done, I went to Lowe's and I purchased some L brackets, and I hot glued these brackets on the back of these letters. All right. Now, I have not decided which picture I will use on my mantle, but here's a frame of my family here. You already know that I love my family. I do need to incorporate, and I'm probably going to get in trouble for this by my granddaughter. I need to incorporate her mom and her into a picture here. So that's going to be in the near future, where we take a family photo. So I'm either going to use this or this picture of my hubby and I'm probably safe to use this one, but hopefully by Valentine's Day we will take another family photo. Alright guys, are you ready to see the reveal of what I've done to my mantle that is sitting right here behind me? Well, here it is. So guys, here is my mantle decorated for Valentine's Day. I love it. I really do. I love it. So let's go in for a closer look. Now, these gate doors are always here, and I love to put some type of wreath or something, some type of decor on these gate doors. And I use these simple hearts from the Dollar Tree with the word love on it. I wanted to take that love off, but when I started pulling it, it was pulling the tinsel off, so I left it alone. I may go get 2 more hearts if they still have them available, because Dollar Tree's Valentine's decor is flying off the shelf. But I've had these for quite a while, but they keep bringing these back every year. I had an idea for these, so I may try it. So stay tuned, because who knows, I might do the DIY anyway and change these out. Speaking of Dollar Tree, they had these beautiful red hearts, and I took 3. Well, actually I purchased 6. You'll see the other one on the other side there. But I took 3 of them and hot glued them together to make a heart fall, I guess you can say. I love this look. My granddaughter came in from a nap and she saw this and she was like, "Oh, Kiki, that is beautiful." And I'm loving it too. I wanted to do something else to them, but decided not to. Again, we'll see, who knows. Come back for the Valentine tour. You may see something different. One of the requirements was the banner. And this is a ribbon banner that I love. It has the red, white, gold, and peach. And I'm loving that instead of the pink. Up top here, I use different flowers, white hydrangeas, peonies in peach, and red roses. And I just laid the whole stem and went all the way across my mantle. Then I inserted these beads, this beaded stem here from Hobby Lobby, which I walked in there just last week and they had these on the clearance section. I got them for like 12 cents, 17 cents, not over 20 cents. So I picked them up and I picked up 5. They had 5 sitting there, so I picked up all 5. Also from Hobby Lobby, you see the gold hearts there. They come in a pack of 3, and I had to have them. I've actually had them a couple of years now, and went in there to pick up more and they were gone. So I know next year to pick them up also. Now I started to like my mantle, but I was like, I won't do it this time. We're gonna drop down below. Now, I did not get a chance to make bows, but I wanted to use my lanterns, excuse me, that I picked up from Walmart after the Christmas season, half off. And I wanted to make bows, but kind of hurt my shoulder and my wrist, so that did not get done. I will see if I will do it before Valentine's Day. If not, that'll be a project for next time. But in my lanterns, I just put a floral piece in each of them instead of a candle, and just wanted something a little different there. This is another requirement, the XO, the lettering. And I just put it right there on the hearth of the fireplace. I love putting all types of wording for different, events or different occasions, excuse me, down there below on my hearth. Now, roses are my favorite flower, and so I just cut some stems down. And these flowers came from the Dollar Tree, just like the flowers on my mantle. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a rubber band. I have a rubber band here, just to keep them together. And I'm going to just place the rubber band on the stem I do this quite often, guys, and I actually just popped this one. But I'm gonna take the rubber band, place it on the stems and place it in my vase here. And guys, this is my table here showing my framed photo of my hubby and I. And I have these stacked books here that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and they actually open. So if I wanted to store a few little trinkets in there, I could. I placed my vase up top of them, and I have a little candle lit. I went to look for my gold candle holder, and of course when you need something, you can't find it when you need it. So I just have my candle sitting here, and I have all of this in my folding table that I picked up from Home Goods. It has my bling, the white, and like a goldish hint handles and legs. Guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please go over to my girl, Second Hand Tracey Ann's channel. Show her some love. I will have her channel link listed in my description box down below, as well as the playlist link listed down there below also. Well, where you can take a look at several creators that are participating in this challenge. I cannot wait to see their beautiful mantles decorated for Valentine's Day. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, what are you waiting on? I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family. It's so simple to do and does not cost you any money. All you need to do is just push that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you subscribe to the channel, to click that notification bell up top there, so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Hugs and kisses, guys. Have a blessed day.